You may have heard before that nothing will grow under an oak. Well, in one sense that's true. Very few of the things that are commercially available will grow well under oaks. But there are tons of species that grow well under oaks across Mississippi. And this is just a sampling of a few of the species from one yard that you might find under an oak. And some of these might surprise you. Get started off with elderberry. Sambucus canadensis. Yes, elderberry is growing in this dry soil directly under a massive oak. That's not what you would have expected. But native plants are pretty used to having oaks around since oaks are one of our dominant forest species. We have St. John's wort, Hypericum hypericoides. This one's St. Andrew's cross. We have blackberries. We have this witchgrass, Dicanthelium. We have a holly, Ilex vomitoria. That one really likes to grow under the oak. We have Smilax smallie, which people might not like the most, but it is a very nice semi-evergreen vine. We have peppervine, another thing that people don't like a whole lot, but it is growing here under an oak. Here is a bigger elderberry for you to see. They don't just stay at the ground level, they can actually get bigger, and if it wasn't mowed or weed whacked, it would get even bigger. Here's a little lawn growing under the oak. This is more Dicanthelium, and you can see it makes a very nice green ground cover, and it is in fact evergreen. See some more Smilax and more hollies over here. Here's a mushroom. As we keep going over here, we're going to start seeing some other things too. Well, first, here's some berries on that holly. As we walk over to the drip line, well, this is a little bit outside of the drip line, but these plants are present underneath the oak. I just didn't catch any on the video. We have a bunch of different American asters, and these have white flowers. They're just done blooming. And we also have some spiderworts, and there is actually quite a bit of this under the oak. I just didn't catch it on camera. Let's see if we can go back over there and find some. Yeah, here's some more. This is also evergreen, growing in this awful soil right under an oak, and it is doing just fine. There's Dichondra, pony's foot. People think of this as a weed, but it makes a great ground cover too. Here's some of that aster I was talking about. Of course, chamber bitter, that'll grow anywhere. There's some aster. Yeah, lots of very cool stuff growing under this magnificent oak. And you could imagine if St. John's wort and that Dicanthelium and other things were commercially available, then it would be very nice for filling in spaces under oaks so it isn't all bare soil.